Okay, for this kind of scratch, what we're looking at here, we're gonna try to polish some of it out first. There could be a lot of paint transfer from whatever made contact here. So the polishing compound will likely remove a lot of these scratches. I can see that it's still gonna take some touch-up to clean this up, but I think that we can make it look much better with the polishing compound first, and then only touch up what really needs to be touched up. Most of that came off from the polishing compound. You can see the difference. You can continue to polish this with the polishing compound and they may come out even better yet. Just using the very edge of the touch-up pen allows you to really add a minimal amount of paint. We're gonna let that dry and then do the 2 to 3 coats like we've done with all the others. Okay, we've added color. Now we're gonna apply the clear coat. Two to 3 coats, 15 minutes or so in between. In this case, because I'm using the combo applicator, I also have a brush available, and I wanted to apply a little bit more clear coat than was easy with the pen. So I'm just going to use the brush. Makes it very simple. After that dries, you're ready to go. It can be polished and waxed in 24 to 48 hours.